All right, YouTubes. In December, I worked on that cook's drawers at this restaurant here. You guys might remember it is now March, the beginning of March, and I just now got the evaporator fan motor for the Omni Temp. The supply chain thing's for real. So I'm gonna take you guys in there. We'll get it replaced. I have no idea what condition this is. So we got there's 3 coils total on this unit. And one that hasn't had an evaporator fan since December. So I have no idea what I'm gonna get into, but I'm gonna bring you guys along and we'll check it out. Hopefully we can straighten it all out and get it going good today for them. All right, let's start by killing power to that thing. Then we'll double check. And we gotta get all these, I gotta get all these drawers out so we can get in there. I got the top drawer out and I'm getting the bottom. Then we're gonna get in there for the repair. All right, not too bad. What we expected, it'd be iced up because it hasn't had evaporator fan. And so I'm gonna take that panel off, de-ice everything as best I can, try and clean up, and then we'll change the motor out. All right, there we are with the cover off. And there's our blower assembly. So we'll go ahead and get this all taken apart here and then de-iced. If you've never done one of these before, there's the 2 clips. These clips up here pull out. And I gotta get in there for the second one, but these little clips will pull out and then this whole bracket will slide forward with the blower assembly and the motor on it. All right, mission accomplished. Let her rip, baby, let her rip. Little swim, little morning swim with NorCal Dave. All right, not a super ton to film on that one. Change the motor out, melt all the ice out, try and do a cleanup. I was in there thinking if it was like Jeopardy, I'm like, I'll take the swim in it for 500, Alex. Ding, 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 daily double.